Truck bed covers all promise the same thing: tough protection, but half of them end up being more hassle than help. That's why in this video, I'm showing you 6 truck bed covers that are worth your cash, your time, and your truck. Whether you haul tools, camping gear, or just don't want your groceries flying out on the highway, these covers will get the job done without the regret. You'll find links to the best prices for all the truck bed covers mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these truck bed covers aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 6 is the Workport AL3 Quick Latch. This is the best hard tri-fold tonneau cover on our list. It's built from lightweight aluminum, so you don't have to worry about rust, and it's finished with a ceramic-coated diamond shield. That coating not only helps in preventing dents and scratches while giving it a clean factory-style look. It sits low on the rails, which keeps the profile sleek, but you still have access to your stake pockets for tie-downs. Now, the big highlight is the latch system. There's a single quick latch at the rear, pop it, and the cover folds up in 2 sections. If you need to haul something tall, you can buckle it down by the cab and drive with it open. And when you want total bed access, there are 2 hand screws underneath that you can release to remove the whole cover in just a few minutes. As for protection, the AL3 uses triple thick gaskets to seal out water, dust, and road debris. It actually performs better than some retractable covers that cost almost twice as much, keeping gear dry even through heavy rain and car washes. It comes backed with a 3-year ironclad warranty plus lifetime customer support, which is pretty rare at this price point. Overall, it's a strong, secure, and good-looking option if you want a hard folding cover without breaking the bank. Number 5 is the Workport SC3. This is the best soft tri-fold folding tonneau cover on our list. It's a simple, lightweight tri-fold design that you can install yourself in about 15 minutes. You don't need any special tools. Just line it up on your truck bed, tighten the clamps by hand, and you're good to go. If you've never put on a tonneau cover before, this one is a great first pick. The SC3 is made in the US near Buffalo, New York. The frame uses powder-coated aircraft-grade aluminum, so it won't rust out on you, even if you live near the beach. The cover itself is a heavy-duty PVC fabric reinforced with fibers so it holds up against weather and sun. It also has double gaskets along the edges, which do a solid job at keeping out water. It's also very easy to use. Just fold it back when you need bed space, clip it down with the built-in latches, and unfold it again when you're done. Everything stays tight, flush, and clean looking. Here's what Wormy says: this tonneau cover from Workport has to be one, if not the best quality tonneau covers I have owned. Installation is so easy and the instructions clear. I like that I can fold it back easily for hauling larger loads and quickly take it off if I need the full bed of my truck. I have had the cover on my truck for several months now and it still looks like new. Their customer service is exceptional. The company went as far as to check back a few days later to make sure I was satisfied. You rarely see this kind of customer service anymore. I would highly recommend Workport covers to anyone looking for quality that will last for years to come. Now, like most soft covers, it's not 100% theft-proof, but if your tailgate is locked, your gear stays out of sight and away from curious eyes. Price-wise, the Workport SC3 usually lands in the affordable range for soft tri-fold covers. For something this easy, durable, and American-made, that's a really solid deal. Number 4 is the Gator Tracks tonneau cover. This is the best manual retractable hard tonneau cover on our list. It's a flat profile aluminum cover with a matte powder coated finish. That means it won't fade in the sun and you don't have to worry about maintenance. Once your tailgate is locked, the cover itself stays locked too. So your truck bed is as secure as locking something inside the cab. Opening it is pretty simple. On the driver's side, there's a pull strap. You just tug it and the cover slides back on ball bearing rollers. There are no springs and no tension parts that can wear out over time. You can stop it at 3 different latch positions, which is useful if you're carrying something like a bike or grill and only need part of the bed covered, or if you want it all the way open or closed, just keep the strap pulled while you slide it. Plus, this one does a really good job of keeping out rain and debris. The sealed ball bearings mean you never need to oil them, and the design prevents the canister from clogging up with dirt. It's built in the US, comes with a 2-year warranty, and ships free within the country. Price-wise, it usually sits in the mid to premium range for retractable covers, but you're paying for durability and peace of mind. And if you want to know the latest prices for the truck bed covers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you could hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Real Truck Undercover SE. This is the best hard one-piece hinge tonneau cover on our list. It's a solid single-piece design made from a durable ABS polymer that makes it lightweight but strong enough to handle up to 400 pounds spread evenly across the top. The textured black finish is scratch and dent resistant, so it stays looking sharp even after regular use. Now, the Undercover SE holds up well against rain and road debris. It uses a tight fit along with rubber seals to keep out water and dust, which makes it a solid choice if you're hauling tools, gear, or even groceries in bad weather. To open it, you just turn the latch and lift. The gas struts do the heavy lifting, holding the cover open so you don't have to struggle. You also get some handy extras like a built-in LED light for nighttime access and a pull strap so you can close it easily without climbing in the bed. For security, there's a single-point locking system with 2 keys included. Now, the installation is quick at about under an hour with no drilling, and if you need to haul tall cargo, the entire cover can be removed in just a few minutes without tools. Plus, it's made in the USA and backed by a 3-year warranty. So if you want a sleek, secure, one-piece cover that combines strength with convenience, the Undercover SE is a top pick. Number 2 is the Real Truck Tuxedo True Export. This is the best soft roll-up tonneau cover on our list. If you want something simple, practical, and affordable, it's worth checking out. It's a soft roll-up cover made from durable vinyl that attaches with Velcro along the rails. Once it's closed, it creates a flat, low-profile look that helps keep your cargo protected from rain, dust, and curious eyes. Though it's not built for heavy-duty security, but hides whatever's in your bed, goes a long way in preventing theft. Plus, you can't open the cover unless the tailgate is unlocked, which adds a nice extra layer of security. Once the gate is down, you pull the latches on both sides and the cover rolls up smoothly toward the cab. For hauling something tall, you can strap it in place with the built-in Velcro straps so it won't flap around while you're driving. Inside, there are straight support bars running across the width of the cover to give it rigidity so it won't sag while it's closed. And the rubber seal at the tailgate helps keep water out, even in heavy rain. Installation is quick and tool-free. The rails clamp right onto your truck bed with heavy-duty C-clamps, and the cover snaps in at the front. A buyer reviews, "I really appreciated the attention to detail regarding the installation instructions. After laying out all the pieces and pre-reading the instructions, everything made sense to me, and I was able to complete the installation in about 30 to 35 minutes. I was impressed with the engineering that went into this product. While it is a simple design, the way it works is great. I like the fact that the Velcro attachment has the ability to slide in the track to help the top stay tight and close easier. I put this on to avoid another year of snow filling the bed of the truck. Although it hasn't snowed much this year, it has done a great job of keeping the rain and snow out." For the price, it usually sits around the mid $300 range, which is a great value. Overall, it's easy to use, looks clean, and keeps your gear protected. Number 1 is the Real Truck BAK Revolver X4S. This is the best hard roll-up aluminum slat tonneau cover on our list. This truck bed cover blends the security of a hard cover with the flexibility of a soft roll-up. Instead of folding panels, it uses interlocking aluminum slats wrapped in a sleek matte black vinyl finish that gives it strength against dents while still letting you roll it up with one hand when you need full bed access. When rolled, it takes up about 10.5 inches of space near the cab, so you don't lose much room compared to bulkier tri-fold covers. And because it rolls tight, you can still keep an eye on taller loads without blocking your rear window. Weather protection is solid too. It seals well along the edges, and most of the time, the only water that sneaks in is through the tailgate itself. For day-to-day use, it'll keep your gear dry and clean. Just something to note, if you live in a colder climate, freezing temps can make the slats stiff and harder to fold. In warmer regions, though, it's not really an issue. It clamps on both rails, and you don't need any drilling or drain tubes, and you can get it done in about 30 minutes solo. The aluminum build feels tough, and the low-profile look gives your truck a clean, factory-style finish. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect truck bed cover. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each truck bed cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.